For the first lesson for week 2, we have simplifying fractions. So our first example will be 8 over 12. Okay. So yun, i-reduce natin siya into its simplest form. So with that, kailangan natin makuha yung GCF. So we need to get the factors of 8 and 12. So for the 8, we have 1 times 8. And we also have 2 times 4. And then for the 12, we have 1 times 12. And then we have 2 times 6. And lastly, we have 3 times 4. So ngayon po, when we say GCF, we need to get the greatest common factor. So let's see muna kung ano po yung mga common factors natin. We have 1 and then 1. We also have 2 and 2. And then we have 4 and 4. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, and 4. So the greatest of the 3 is 4. And then, yun po yung ipapang divide natin for 8 and then kay 12. So, it will be 8 divided by 4 over 12 divided by 4. Yan, pasensya na pong hindi masyadong pantay. And then, so, ang ipapalit natin, syempre, of course, yung kapartner ng 4 dun sa factor ng 8, factors ng 8. So, 8 divided by 4, as you can see, ang partner po ng 4 dito is the 2. And then, over 12 divided by 4, we have 3. So, when 8 over 12 is simplified, it should be 2 over 3. Okay, so for our second example, let's have 10 over 45. So, katulad po ng ginawa natin sa first example natin, we need to get the GCF or the greatest common factor. So, for the 10 po, our factors is 1 times 10, and then meron din tayong 2 times 5. And then for the 45, we have 1 times 45, meron din tayong 5 times 9, and then meron din tayong 3 times 15. Okay, so ngayon po, titignan po natin yung mga factors. So meron tayong 1 and 1. 10, syempre, wala naman siyang common factor dito sa 45. Then we have 2, wala din, and then 5. So, between 1 and 5, ang mas mataas po, or magiging GCF natin is the 5. So, kailangan nating i-divide yung numerator and denominator by the GCF, which is 5. So, 10 divided by 5 over 45 divided by 5 also. So, 10 divided by 5, as you can see, ang partner ng 5 doon is 2. And then, over 45 divided by 5, which is 9. So, the answer for the second example, we have 2 over 9. Ang last example po natin, let's have 54 over 60. So, ayan po. So, kung tayo po ay maalam sa mga factors, obviously, malalaman na po natin agad yung pwede natin ipang-divide kay 54 and kay 60. So, kay 54 po, we can simply say that it is 9 times 6 or 6 times 9. And then, para naman po kay 60, it is 10 times 6. Meron din siya namang, yung 60, pwede rin naman siyang 2 times 30 o kaya ay 3 times 20. But then, kung kaya naman po natin mag-isip ng factor agad na yung pinakamataas nila, so why not? Kasi kung ililista natin lahat yan, maraming masyadong factors. Okay po? So, ang naisip ko po agad is 6 as their GCF. Okay. So, 6 ang ating GCF. So, yun po ang ipang-divide natin or ang magiging divisor natin para kay 54 at kay 60. So, divide both of them by 6. So, 54 divided by 6 is 9 over 60 divided by 6 is 10. So, the simplified form of 54 over 60 is 9 over 10.